If we are encountering the error, could not download document, try again. If the problem keeps happening, try connecting to Wi-Fi. Follow these steps to fix this issue. Now, first of all you have to do is swipe down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen for the newer versions, and for the older version, swipe up from the bottom. Here, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Also try restarting your Wi-Fi router and try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data if available. Once done so, go back to the home screen and tap on the settings app option available there. Now, once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset network settings. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords and other network related settings. And reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if the issue is resolved. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.